Chennai International Airport is the third busiest airport in the country in international traffic, behind New Delhi and Mumbai. Chennai Airport is the fourth busiest airport in the country in overall passenger traffic, behind New Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. Chennai Airport serves as the regional headquarters of the Airport Authority of India for the South Indian states. The domestic terminal is named after the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraj, and the international terminal is named after C. N. Annadurai. It was the first airport in the country to have international and domestic terminals located adjacent to each other. Domestic flights operates from Terminal 1. The old terminal at Meenambakkam is used for cargo operation from Terminal 2. International arrivals operate from Terminal 3. International departures operate from Terminal 4. It is the first airport in India to have aero bridges at the domestic terminal. Later, the international terminal was built with 3 aero bridges. Various services available at the different areas of the terminal complex, like restaurants, cafe, information counter, conference room, duty-free shops, tourist and railway information counter, currency exchange, security check, ATMs, childcare rooms, lost and found counter, disabled services, medical and health scan facilities, vending machines, luggage carts, restrooms and prayer rooms. Chennai Airport works as a hub for Indigo, Alliance Air, Blue Dart Aviation, TrueJet and SpiceJet. And it is a focus city for Air India Express and Go Air. Airport entry process for new passengers. Passengers can get the flight ticket online or at the airline's ticket counter available outside the airport terminal gates. Passengers allowed inside the airport terminal gates only 2 to 3 hours before boarding time. If passengers have more than 3 to 4 hours for boarding, then they can wait in the lobby outside the terminal. At the terminal gates, flight tickets and passengers' identification will be verified by the security officers. After entering the terminal, passengers who do not have web check-in boarding pass should obtain the manual boarding pass from the respective airlines counters. Only hand baggage allowed along with the passengers. Other baggages to be dropped in the respective airlines baggage counter after baggage scanning and security check. Later, passenger will be joining the security check queue, where passengers' boarding pass will be verified and passengers will be physically scanned by the security officers. Passengers' hand baggage, electronic items like laptop, mobile phones and other gadgets will be checked under the scanner. After completing the security check, passengers can find the flight details from the information display board and wait in the waiting hall near the respective terminal boarding gates. Shops, restaurants, restrooms and other facilities are available in the waiting hall. During the boarding time, airline's crew will verify your boarding pass and allow the passengers to board the flight. Passengers boarding gates located in 2 levels. Few gates are in the first level and few gates are in the ground level. In Chennai Airport, there are many transport options available for the arrival passengers. Public buses are available outside the terminals. Prepaid and call taxi facilities available from the terminal exits. Can reach Chennai city centre in 50 minutes by taxi. Chennai Airport does not have own railway station. However, passengers can transfer to the nearest railway station, Thrissur railway station located 2 km from Chennai Airport. Trains are available to reach both city and the suburban areas like Chengalpattu, Tambaram. Metro train facilities are available from Chennai Airport to the city center.